Everything's under control. We've totally got this.
All good with the cake, Granny. It's exactly like the recipe.
Except for the crisps and the peanut butter.
The disco train is all charged up now. I'll be there in a minute.
Take your time, Granny. There's no rush. No rush at all.
Well, I guess it's time to put it in the oven and hope for the best.
I guess so, Triggs. Here goes nothing.
Let's mix it up. Throw the plan away, we'll make it up as we go along. If we mess it up, we can try again. Can't be scared of getting it wrong. There's no recipe for sunshine. There's no recipe for good times.
If we don't follow instructions, who knows what we will make?
It could be a masterpiece.
It could be a mistake.
Let's mix it up. Throw the plan away, we'll make it up as we go along. If we mess it up, we can try again. Can't be scared of getting it wrong. Mix it,
Mash it,
crunch it,
splash it,
dip your finger,
lick the spoon,
a piece of fruit.
or maybe two.
Come on, Dad, it's your turn now.
Give it a go, you know how.
We'll make it up as we go along.
Having fun, what could go wrong?
What have I got to lose? I'll try a splash of orange juice, a pinch of salt, some tofu, a kidney bean. Hey, this tastes good. Let's mix it up.
Mix it up.
Throw the plan away, we'll make it up as we go along. If we mess it up,
Mix it up.
we can try again. Can't be scared of getting it wrong. Let's mix it up.